Did you know that by just making a few simple changes to your daily routine, you could save up to $5,000 a year? Yep, you heard that right. Let's dive into some personal finance hacks that can help you pocket that cash. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that affects all of us. Personal finance hacks. These aren't just any tips. We're talking about strategies that can lead to significant savings and get your finances on track. Whether you're trying to pay off debt or just save a little more each month, these hacks could be your golden ticket. Now, let's talk about the reality many of us face. We live in a world where it often feels like we're just getting by, right? Living paycheck to paycheck is a struggle that so many people know all too well. It's tough to save when every month feels like a race to pay bills, and maybe treat yourself a little. And let's be honest, when you check your savings account, it can be disheartening to see it barely budging. But don't worry, you're not alone in this challenge. The good news is that with a few smart strategies, you can make a big difference in your financial situation. So, what can we do about it? First up, budgeting techniques. Creating a budget might sound boring, but trust me, it's a game changer. Try the 50-30-20 rule. That's 50% for essentials, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. This simple formula can help you visualize where your money is going and where you can cut back. Next, let's talk about cashback apps. There are tons of apps out there that give you money back just for shopping. Think about it. You're going to buy groceries anyway, so why not get a little cash back on those purchases? Some popular ones include Rakuten and Ibotta. They can really add up over time. And don't forget about cutting unnecessary expenses. Take a hard look at those subscriptions you don't use anymore or that fancy coffee you grab every morning. It might feel like a small amount, but those little expenses can seriously add up. You might be surprised at how much you can save by just trimming the fat from your spending. Now, let me share a quick story about my friend Sarah. She was struggling to save money and often felt overwhelmed by her bills. After implementing just a couple of these hacks, she decided to track her spending more closely. She cut out a couple of subscriptions she wasn't using, switched to a cashback app, and started budgeting using the 50-30-20 rule. In just a few months, she saved over $1,200. She couldn't believe it. Sarah said it was like discovering money she didn't even know she had. She was able to take a mini vacation and even started an emergency fund. If she can do it, so can you. So, to wrap it all up, remember these key hacks: budget wisely, utilize cashback apps, and cut those unnecessary expenses. With a little effort, you can really see a difference in your savings. Imagine what you could do with that extra cash. Now, it's your turn. What are some of your favorite finance hacks? Drop them in the comments below. And if you want to dive deeper into budgeting tips, check out my next video right here. Thanks for watching, and let's save some money together. Don't forget to like and subscribe.